Hello everyone, this is Mike again. So this is going to be a video on my broken wiper arm here in the rear of my van. But I think it's also going to end up being a video about a tool that I will be using. Probably a review about this, and so let's get to it. Okay, so when this wiper arm broke, it was just hanging here. So I took it off, and I realized that the metal piece that's with it did not come off. So I was going to try to get that off, but I couldn't. So I tried everything. I tried heat and other things, torch, but I didn't try very hard because there's glass here and there's rubber here, and I didn't want to damage anything anymore. So what I did was I looked up a puller. They have windshield wiper pullers, and I couldn't find any at the auto parts store. They supposedly do sell them there, but there was none in my local area. Harbor Freight I tried, nothing. So I looked on Amazon, found one for 10 bucks, and that's what I have here. So I'm going to be trying that out, and I guess this will be a review. Basically all it does is it pulls it. You tighten the screw and it just should pull this right out. I left the nut on here to give the tool something to lean on while I'm pulling. You'll see that once I get it on there. So, as you can see, this tool is not going to work. It's too wide at the bottom to hold. So this tool is not going to work. So I've got to figure something else out now. So I had to use my brain a little bit. And I modified this tool. I put a wrench in there. When I tighten this down, it should do the same thing. It's gotta... We'll see. We'll see. Okay, this is crazy. I thought it was working, but obviously it's not. It's just bending the tool. That's how hard it is on there. That's how tight it is. That's insane. So this isn't going to work. So I'm going to have to go at this another day and figure something else out. Anyway, in the meantime, I wanted to show you, that's the old wiper there. I wanted to show you that I got this. I went on to my auto parts store, and a wiper arm was $42. So I figured that's too much money. So then I thought, well, maybe a dealer, but then a dealer I know is probably going to be even more than that. So I went online again to Amazon, and I found this for 10 bucks. And it comes with the wiper. Oh, and this is the part that won't come off of the old one. That metal ring is stuck on that shaft. Oh, some snow fell. It's stuck on that shaft and will not come off. So I'm going to have to figure something else out and get back to you. So this will be another video to be continued. Yeah, so I don't think the tool failed. I think what I did made it fail. There's still hope. I'll get it off. I don't want to give this a bad review. It's just, it didn't work.